Я тебя люблю. This is probably one of the very first phrases people want to learn when they pick up the Russian language. But let's be completely honest, it's also one of the most painfully mispronounced phrases out there. If you say it the way generic textbooks teach it, you are going to sound like a cold, emotionless robot. And today we are going to fix that completely. I'm going to show you how to actually sound natural, and on top of that, I'll teach you 5 other ways that real Russian express their feelings in everyday life. Я тебя люблю. Let's break it down word by word so you can understand the actual mechanics under the hood. The first word is я. Simple enough, it means I. The second word is тебя. This means you, but it's an object form because the action and the emotion are directed straight at you. And the third word is люблю. This means I love. Now, here's exactly where every single beginner messes up: the rhythm, the stress, and the final vowel. Listen closely to how these 3 words flow together. Я тебя люблю. The stress falls heavily on the last syllables. Я тебя люблю. But the absolute killer for English speakers is the first last letter, the soft U at the end of люблю. To make a vowel soft in Russian, your tongue needs to press closer to the roof of your mouth. Most beginners completely ignore this, keep their tongue flat, and pronounce it hard, sounding like я тебя люблю. Please never say люблю. It completely kills the emotion and sounds incredibly unnatural to a native ear. It has to be soft, люблю. Hear the difference? Люблю versus люблю. Let's practice it together right now. Keep your lips relaxed. Push the middle of your tongue slightly up and let it flow softly. Я тебя люблю. Perfect. Now, if you only use Я тебя люблю, you might sound a bit like a dramatic character from old movie. Real communications has layers and nuance. So, here's what native Russian speakers actually say depending on the context and how deep they are in a relationship. The first variation is обожаю тебя. This literally translates as I adore you or I worship you. It's a highly passionate, energetic, and fantastic warm way to tell someone they drive you crazy in the best way possible. The second one is a bit more subtle. Мне нравишься ты. Word for word, it looks like to me pleasing is you, but it actually means I like you, specifically in a romantic dating context. If you are seeing someone new and want to tell them you're really into them, but you aren't ready to drop the heavy L word just yet, this is your golden ticket. Мне нравишься ты. The third variation is for when the honeymoon phase hits you hard. Я влюблен в тебя. Now pay attention here. If you are a guy, you say «Я влюблен в тебя». If you are a girl, you change the ending to soft «Я влюблена в тебя». This means I'm completely in love with you. It's fresh, romantic, and a beautiful, intense. Fourth, we have a very deep, meaningful expression «Ты мне дорог». Again, if you are talking to a man, ты мне дорог. If you are speaking to a woman, ты мне дорога. This translates to you are dear to me or you mean so much to me. It carries a massive amount of sincere, protective emotion. It's a safe, mature, and incredibly touching to hear. And finally, the most casual real-life variation, люблю. Just one single word, no subject, no object. You just look at your partner while hanging out with a phone or leaving the house, smile, and say люблю. It's a short, it's sweet, and it's exactly how everyday couples talk to each other without making it a grand speech. Now we need to talk about something critical. You can master pronunciation perfectly, but if you don't understand the culture behind it, you're going to make things very awkward very fast. In English, it's completely normal to throw around expressions like love ya to casual friends, co-workers, family members at the end of every casual phone call, or even to describe a good slice of pizza. In Russia, we absolutely do not do that. Russian culture treats these phrases with immense protection. We don't use them as a casual small talk to be polite, but a Russian native looks you dead in the eyes and says, Yeti Belly Blue, they are opening up a piece of their soul. It carries massive psychological weight. It means they have thought about it, they mean it, and they expect it to be taken seriously. Keep that boundary in mind before you say it out loud. If you want to practice these expressions and see how they actually function in a real-life human interaction, I've got you covered. This week's premium Patreon packs features a complete real-world dialect guide. It takes you seamlessly through meeting someone for the first time, breaking the ice, naturally building a connection, getting their number, and saying a proper goodbye in a genuine modern Russian. No dusty textbook phrases, just real life practical stuff. It's just $5 a month. You can cancel whenever you want, and the link is waiting for you right down below. Hit the like button if this cleared things up for you, drop a comment letting me know which of the 5 variations was your favorite, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's lesson. See you in the next video. Пока!